So I went to Starbucks and I ordered this caramel cloud macchiato. It was so delicious. However, it was over $7. So I was like, I have to figure out how to make this in a way that works for me. So I looked up the ingredients and I found that it had egg in it, which I thought was so weird. I was like, egg, what the hell is egg doing in here? So these are the ingredients that I use. I use my silk almond milk, caramel, almond creamer, sea salt, caramel, syrup by Ghirardelli, and my favorite kind of coffee, which is Cafe Bustelo. Lastly, of course, eggs. In this cup, I'm going to blend this egg to make it a nice fluffy consistency. And then I'm going to take my whisk and I'm going to give it a good whisk for a while. Look at that. It's so fluffy and nice. I like my coffee strong, so I'm going to put 1, 2, 2.5 heaping teaspoons. Just a little bit of hot water. And mix it there. Milk. And I'm going to pour in just about 1/4 of this, not even the whole thing. Then I'll add my ice. Touch more cream. Notice how it does that. Like there's your cloud forming, right? That's what I love. I just love that. So on top of that, I drizzle on some sea salt caramel. Do you guys see that? Look how that looks. Does that look like heaven or what? A caramel cloud macchiato. Get a load of that. I'm sure many of you will frown upon my breakfast, but this usually just sits here with me the entire day. So I've taken to shopping for clothes at Costco's. They had these, I had a few things, but they had these DKNY jean shorts, and I picked them up, but the smallest size they had was a 4. And I picked it up anyway out of desperation, thinking, oh, well, maybe it'll fit, right? But of course it didn't fit. I'm a size 2. So anyway, I'm going to take that back. Hopefully there's not a big line around the corner because there's still nothing open. And hopefully they have a few other cool items because I would like a few new pieces for the summertime. Guess who went designer clothes shopping on 5th Avenue today, guys? Not this girl. I did go shopping today. I went budget shopping. Where did I go? All right, so I went to 2 stores. I went to Costco, and I also went to a store that I think is based only in New York. It's a really, really discount budget store, and it's called National Wholesale Liquidators. It's the kind of place where you could get like international chocolates and nice sandals. Okay, let's get into this haul, all right? Okay, so I got a pair of Express jeans. I'm gonna just try them on and show you guys what I got, and we'll talk in a minute. This is a pair of Vigos jeans. I want you guys to check out the polka dots on these shorts. I think that's my favorite part. They're so childlike and soft at the same time. They're subtly colored, pink, blue, and of course, I think mint green and gray. They were only $10, $9.99, And I got also this tank top, which is I think it's a little bit better than a shelf bra. I forget what you call it, but it has a built-in bra. And this was only $4. So here I have Costco children's shorts and National Wholesale Liquidators tank top. Okay, so this is another tank top that I picked up at National Wholesale Liquidators. It takes me back to a very happy time in my life, and I feel like it fits me perfectly, even though I'm dressed like a 15-year-old girl. I love dressing like a 15-year-old girl. If I could dress like a 15-year-old girl until I'm 75 years old, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Okay, so this is outfit number 2, another pair of Vigos shorts and in youth size 16 and a tank top. This tank top also $4. So check that out. I love it. Very simple, very summery, perfect, exactly what I went shopping for. So next item. Okay, so I don't want you guys to be offended. I did not run upstairs to get a bra. But I really like it. Look how it drops really low in the back. And it's short in the front. Like, this is awesome. I freaking love it. This blouse actually cost $3. Okay, so the next item. Okay, so I'm in love with this outfit as well. It works really well together. I'm so happy with it. And if I tell you the price, you're going to fall out of your chair. So I hope that you're stable, okay? The top. By Derek Hart, and the jeans, which were the Express jeans, which are nicer than I realized, because when I picked them up, I didn't realize that they were high-waisted, which I love. I love a jean that's high-waisted because it reduces the muffin top that you show. Altogether, this outfit was what? This is $12, and this is $5. What's that, $17? Yay, yay, yay me. I won on this one. I love it. The other blouse I'd like to try on and show you just to get your opinion on it. I'm going to try it on and show you guys, and you tell me what you think. I have put it on, and again, I still don't like it that much. Let me see if this blouse looks better if I like take it off the shoulder, which is how it was meant to be worn, but I feel like that doesn't work either. It's actually cute this way. It just feels like it's not for me. Even though it is cute. It is cute, actually. It's Cabernet Sauvignon, and then I butchered it because I actually poured some mango Minute Maid juice in there, and then I topped it off with a little Ray and Nebula. So out of breath. What the fuck is the matter with me? I hope you guys are not like watching me die. It's crazy. Speaking of watching people die. Okay, so we all watched George Floyd die on TV, right? And now there's protests all over the world, all over the country rather. And it's hard to comprehend. It's hard to understand what's going on. But I have my opinion on it, and I want to talk about it. I know there's a lot of people out there like, oh my God, what are the black people doing? They're out here looting. They're out here messing up their whole neighborhood. And yes, that is true. However, it became perfectly normal and standard for white cops to just kill black people. So here we are in 2020. America is still killing black folks. You've waged war. The police department, the judicial system, they're the ones who waged war. And you don't get to dictate how we fight back. There are thousands of people who are peacefully protesting. And then there are a few people who seize the moment and take what they want. This opportunity to loot would not exist if this war wasn't waged on black people. I wish to God that neighborhoods didn't have to be looted and just, I wish it didn't have to happen this way. But don't forget, the Boston Tea Party. The Boston Tea Party was a big looting fiasco that occurred because people didn't want to pay taxes on tea.